Hey YouTube, it's Dan, also known as ArtVandal8219. Today's video, I'm going to do an unboxing of a mystery box I bought off of Poshmark. I was searching for just kind of an idea for a new video to do, so I thought I stumbled upon something that was new, but after I had the idea and I bought the box, and I actually did some research, I figured that other people do this already, so I don't even know if they still do it. Some of the videos are kind of old, but anyway, I bought the box for $30. So anyway, you're going to get a new video about unboxing a mystery box of someone that bought something from Poshmark. This is supposed to be men's items to resell. It was up to 5 pounds, and it's supposed to be 5 to 7 pieces, and as close to 5 pounds as you can. So I waited before I started, and I'm going to pop that up right here. I just kind of, as a part-time reseller, I'm always kind of looking for different ways to possibly find some stuff doing reselling. So, you know, instead of just hitting Goodwill or the thrift stores in my area, thought I might give this a try to see if they send me anything different. All right, I got a box cutter. If you don't have a box cutter, you should have a box cutter. I watch a lot of videos and people use like butter knives and scissors and stuff. Box cutter helps. All right, so looks like everything's like, right off the bat, everything's already looks like it's their inventory, so they're already polybagged. So all right, so right off the bat, I got a Patagonia polo. Right off the bat, I see a little rip right there. It's just a basic polo. I don't really know much about Patagonia. I found a Patagonia last week thrifting, and I was so excited because I'd never seen Patagonia before, and it was priced at the Goodwill for $12.99, so I freaking loved it. But all right, so that's one piece. It's pretty nice. I got this Armani. I don't know if it's Armani Collezione. This says it's made in Italy, so it's a 16. So it's about a large, I think. All right, it seems okay. I don't really know much about that. So got a Tommy Hilfiger, just a basic polo. So I don't know if I mentioned I paid $30 plus shipping, and shipping on Poshmark $6.79, so $36.79, and that charged me my state tax also, so it was like all in about just around $39. So just a basic Tommy Hilfiger polo. It's got the Tommy little whatever this is. I don't really buy much Tommy. This is a medium J. Crew slim fit. So most of the time, I focus on bigger sizes. So medium, I don't generally get something. I would pass on something like this at a thrift store, but it's a pretty cool, simple color. So it should hopefully sell eventually. Nautica. It is size extra large. Just a basic button down. I already have something similar to this in my store that hasn't sold, so junk. Another Tommy Hilfiger, a basic classic fit button down. Color's pretty cool on that, so that might actually sell. Doesn't have any. It's got the little logo right there, size large. I'd rather have a bigger size, but you know, whatever. We'll throw that over there. And the last piece, Tommy Bahama, size large. It's got like palm trees on it. It's pretty cool. Again, I wish it was a little bit bigger of a size, but this is actually not that bad. I think this will be okay. I think that'll be okay. So I got 7 pieces for about $39. So, gosh, would I do this again? Probably not. The seller was pretty open that it was stuff that you like, mall brands and stuff. So weren't like not descriptive about it, but it's just stuff that I can find at my thrift store, and you know, a couple of them are pretty cool. That I mean, the color on it, and it doesn't even feel good. The color it's like an ugly color. So a few good pieces, but for $40 I can go buy a lot more stuff at my store and get almost the same stuff. So would I do this again? Probably not. Would I make another YouTube video? Probably. Go ahead and give a thumbs up to this video and hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next one.